Hello, welcome to the Tech High Priest. Today I would show you how to install VMware Fusion. Maybe you want to install or build a virtual machine and you're using a MacBook Pro. You would need VMware Fusion for that. The good news is it's absolutely free. VMware now offers it completely for free. VMware was bought over by Broadcom. Now it's a Broadcom product. I'm using an Apple M1 processor and I would show you my system specifications. If you look over here, you would see about this Mac, and I'm using a MacBook Pro 2021. The chip is an Apple M1 Max, and these are the system specs, and my OS is a Sequoia 15.4.1. Now, in order to install VMware Fusion, we have to go to broadcom.com and come to the support portal. On the support portal, we have two options. You can register if you don't already have an account. Registration is very easy. It's the same way you register on any other website. Or if you already have an account, go to your portal and start downloading. I already have an account, and this is what we're going to do. Go to portal. At the portal, you put in your username. This is my username, theitpriest@gmail.com. Feel free to email me. And next, you're going to put in your password. I already have my password saved, and I put in my password. That takes us to the support portal. Now, we'll click up here. And if you haven't selected VMware Cloud Foundation, click it, select it. It will take you to the VMware section of things. And come to All Products over here. And at All Products, we are going to look for VMware Fusion. I could just type it over here at the top, Fusion, and it should bring it for me. So VMware, vSphere, Bitfusion, VMware Fusion. This is VMware Fusion. I'm going to click on Product Details. And we have some alerts here. And the funny thing about Broadcom, sometimes they really don't organize their product the best way. So what we are going to do is I'm going to click on one of these alerts. It has a CVE or vulnerability. Click on that. And then it brings us to this page. And so this is like some weaknesses or vulnerabilities that are found between some of their products, like VMware Fusion, ESXi, or VMware Workstation. So on this page, all you have to do is just scroll down. Even if you come at a later time when there are other CVEs, just do the same thing. Just scroll down to the bottom. And at the bottom of the page, you are going to see references. And these are the download links, ESXi 8, which is not what we are looking for. We are looking for VMware Fusion. And we should be able to see VMware Fusion 13.6.3. And these are the download and documentation. I'm going to click on the very first link. And it takes us to this page. That gives us access to the download. So Broadcom should have done a better job. But however, just know you're going to see something like that all over the place. It brings us here, and I'm going to hit on the download. I'll click VMware for Intel-based and Apple Mac Silicons. I'm going to agree to the term of services. Once you agree, before you will be able to click on the download link. And it says, prior to downloading these files, additional verifications required. That's fine. Click on that. It wants my name, my address. Again, don't worry. I'm going to put in a random fake address since I don't want you guys to know my address. 768 Bablik Avenue. Let's just call it that way. And the city could be Fort Worth. And the state is Texas. And the zip code, I'll just give 76052. Okay, and I will say agree and submit. And once we pass that phase, I can now successfully click on download. After I accept the terms again, I hit the download icon. And there you go. This is the Fusion about to download. I'm going to drop it on my desktop. I'm going to hit save. And it's downloading. So it's downloaded already. My internet speed is extremely fast. If I open the folder, here we go. This VMware Fusion. This is the image. I'm going to double click on it to install it. And when you double click on it, this is what you get. And I'm going to double click to install VMware Fusion. Going to give it a second to load. And VMware Fusion is an app downloaded from the internet. I say open. It's just safety with Mac. They want my password. I'll put in my password. The installation will begin. And VMware Fusion has been installed. So this is the end of this video. That is how you install VMware Fusion in your MacBook Pro or your little Mac, whatever Mac you're using on Apple devices. And from now, we can use these to build a virtual machine. In the next video, I'm going to be building an instance of Windows 11 and activating it on my Mac. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.